What's up, guys? It's ThickRickDrifting here, and today we're going to be installing these awesome seats from the Prismalab. First step of putting in new seats is taking out the old ones. So we're going to go ahead and pull out these old seats first. Fortunately, nowadays the holes up here are big enough, so you can just go ahead and take your harnesses, slide them right through. Now, because I have a 6-point harness and it has the buckle built into it, it's a little bit harder to get through here. Clips. And then at that point, I'll be able to just pull this out temporarily and then fish it back through and hook it back up with the new seat. Putting in the new Prismalab brackets.